Hey there, end cappers. In today's episode of End Cap TV, we're going to talk about a special model of the Orbot Vibe machine that will save you some money. Stick around to find out more. Orbot has come out with something really cool. They've come out with what's called the Orbot Vibe TL. The TL stands for tankless. So what they've done is they've taken a standard Vibe and without adding the tank or the onboard spray system, they've managed to bring the price down considerably. It's greater than $1,000 that you're going to save with the TL version over a standard Orbot Vibe. Now, before we get crazy talking about the tankless version, let's talk about what you get with the spray system. Using a spray system for end cap cleaning is essential. In other words, to get a good, even flow, to be able to adjust what you're putting down on the carpet on the fly is imperative. It really makes a difference when it comes to end cap cleaning because you can add a little more, a little less, and it's right in front of the machine. Now when you spray out a section of carpet and then you go over it with the machine afterwards, some of the solution is penetrating down the fiber. So you're going to get unevenness. You're not going to get an even, consistent coverage over the carpet surface, and it's very important, especially with end cap cleaning. It's a low moisture method. You want your solution to be exceedingly controlled. In fact, when we sell the Orbot Vibe here at Excellent Supply, we also include a ball valve that modulates the flow so that you can really dial the flow so that you're getting exactly the rate that you want for doing the best end cap cleaning. You lose all of that with the tankless version because you're just spraying the solution on the carpet. However, if you need to save money to open the door, you're just using, say, a rotary machine, I think it's probably time to step up to the tankless Vibe. The tankless Vibe, for about $2,500 for the tankless Vibe, that is a steal, and it gives you the opportunity to do end cap cleaning. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure that you're putting down your solution very evenly. So you want to use a good battery powered sprayer so that you can get consistent spray. So for example, the Penguin sprayer would work really well for that. So using your Penguin sprayer, in fact, if you had a helper spraying directly in front of you so that it's not getting a chance to penetrate the fiber, so that, in other words, you're running over it with the machine right after it's sprayed, that's going to give you the best control. If you have that option, the tankless Vibe would really work well, or almost as well, I should say, as a regular Vibe where you can control the solution with the press of a button. But to get the door open, to get you into end cap cleaning in a most cost-effective way with a machine that performs extremely well, you might want to take a look at the tankless Vibe. If you're wanting to enter end cap cleaning, low moisture cleaning with bonnets and a good encapsulation product like we have here with Release It, I want to encourage you to consider the tankless Vibe because it's priced so affordably. It gives you the opportunity to get in business with orbital cleaning, low moisture cleaning, performing excellent encapsulation cleaning with a good product like Release It and that Orbot Vibe. You're going to be able to do good work. You won't match the consistent, even production that you're going to get out of the standard Orbot Vibe with the onboard spray system, but it's a nice compromise to save a bunch of money and get the door open so that you can start your business doing end cap cleaning. Hopefully that'll give you an idea if you need to look at a less expensive option for end cap cleaning. We're here to help you all the way. We're not just selling machines, we want to help you max your end cap. So if you have questions, you need assistance, let us know. You can post questions in the comments below. I'll also put a link to the TL version in the link below. So thank you for watching this episode. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel as well. Until next time, thanks for watching End Cap TV.